Hey traders! Welcome back to Pre-Market Rockets. We just finished scanning 12,000 stocks in aftermarket trading. And I found 5 absolute explosives about to detonate at tomorrow's open. Our number 1 rocket. $AMIX. Up 58.8% in a single session with nearly 10 million shares traded. That's not noise. That's momentum. Stay locked in because we're breaking down all 5 of today's top movers and exactly where you can catch entries, targets, and stops. Let's go. We're in the aftermarket session right now for July 28, 2026. And the scanner just lit up. Out of 12,000 stocks we evaluated, these 5 candidates separated themselves with explosive momentum, extreme relative volume, and the kind of technical setups that prime mega runners. We scored each one with our proprietary AI algorithm, looking at float size, volume ratios, technical strength, and price action. The range today is wild. We've got moves from plus 26% all the way up to plus 89%. Let's break them down. Number 1. $AMIX. This is your headline mover. Score: 55 out of 100. Our highest score of the day. It's up 58.8% right now. Trading at $4.43 with nearly 10 million shares in relative volume. That's a 2.0x volume multiplier on a tiny 9.1 million float. This is explosive material. Why is it moving? No catalysts on the news wires. Which means this is pure, raw momentum and sentiment. Evil if momentum breaks. Number 2. $RYOJ. Strong score of 48 out of 100. Plus 31.6% move. Trading at exactly $5. Volume is 687,000 shares with a 2.0x relative volume multiplier and a 9.2 million float. RYOJ is showing textbook momentum. It's not as explosive as AMIX, but it's consistent. Entry at 5.00. First target at 5.30. Second target stretching to 7.50 if the momentum holds. Stop is locked at 4.63. This is a lie at tomorrow's open. Number 3. $CNET. Score: 45 out of 100. Up 34%. Trading at 1.34. This one has massive volume. 3.2 million shares. Though relative volume is at 1.0x on a tight 2.9 million float. CNET is smaller, which means it moves faster. Entry at 1.34. First target at 1.44. That's a quick scalp opportunity. Second target goes to 2.01 for swing traders. Stop loss sits at 1.32. Watch for breakout confirmations at the formations at the open. Number 4. $SGRP. This one catches eyes because of the percentage. Up 89%. But look at the score. 42 out of 100. Why? The volume is thin. Only 67,000 shares with a 0.0x relative volume multiplier. SGRP has a much larger float at 20.1 million. This is a volatile play. High risk and high reward. Entry at 0.5434. First target at 0.5595. Second target at 0.8159. Stop loss at 0.5378. This one needs C. You commit real money. Number 5. $MPLT. Score: 41 out of 100. Up 26.5%. Trading at $12.53. Now this is volume. 11 million shares traded with a 2.0x relative volume multiplier. MPLT has a larger float at 34.1 million. So it's more stable than the micro caps above it. Entry at 12.53. First target at 15.04. Second target at 18.80 if this thing runs. Stop loss at 12.05. MPLT is your least volatile play of the. Here's what to watch for tomorrow at the open. First, CONFIRM ATION. These stocks made their moves in after hours with thin liquidity. When the market opens and real volume comes in, you'll see if these movers are for real or if they're reversing. Watch the first 30 minutes. That's your window to see if momentum continues or fizzles. Second, entry discipline. Just because a stock moved 50% doesn't mean it's done moving. Wait for pullbacks to entry zones or consolidations before you jump in. AMIX and RYOJ have the strongest setups because of their volume. Watch those first third. Float size matters. The smaller floats like CNET and SGRP will move faster, but they're also more risky. Only risk what you can afford to lose on those. MPLT is your most liquid play if you want size. And finally, Catalyst watch. None of these had news today, which means this is pure momentum. Watch for earnings, SEC filings, or company announcements overnight that could explain the moves or create new catalysts tomorrow. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. For more detailed analysis, trading strategies, and educational content on spotting rockets like these, head over to TDVW.com. That's where we break down the technical setups, show you real trading examples, and give you the tools to trade the open like a professional. Visit TDVW.com. Thanks for watching Pre-Market Rockets. I'll see you in tomorrow's scan.